drawer from Front Runner. This is to fit defenders, and I think this also fit. No, never mind that. Anyway, we've got a locking latch on it. It's actually quite long too. Fully carpeted, dividers. Now this is ready to go straight in the back here. Alright, so there she is. Now, I have removed this side panel just because it creates, with that blocking in there, it creates a void, or not a void, but a dead space in there. So I've taken that out just so I can jam stuff down there and just make use of that space. Obviously the drawer only comes to there, so it doesn't interfere with the door. Now those, it appears, I actually drilled those two and put a rib nut in the floor there. However, I think you only need to mount the 4. The instructions said drill 10 holes in the floor, but there's only 4 mounting bolts. So there's also nothing talking about this piece here. I'm just guessing that it goes in the front here. No idea. Good latch on it, pretty secure. So you can just see that front piece just sitting here. Yeah, there's no word of it in the instructions. I'm not sure if it's meant to be assembled as it comes, but it was loose and actually fell out as we opened the box. There was also a bent piece over here, just bent during shipping, I'm assuming. But no, I can put a bit of weight in that and it shakes the vehicle and feels pretty solid. Lockable. My spare is actually too big for the back door, so the back door is not actually open 90 degrees, which actually is still perfect for this drawer, which is handy. Pretty happy with it. I would have loved if it came with tie down rails on the top, like Nick's does, or you know, a couple of slots in it, so you can put a tie down eyelet on it. But other than that, pretty damn cool. Look at the slides on it. So twin slides both sides. Not sure what they're rated to, but I reckon it will probably move a lot better with some weight in it. No, nice. Very nice, really. Well made. And pretty simple to put together. So there you have it. That's the slide, or the drawer, I should say, by Front Runner. Lockable, comes with 2 keys. It's pretty good for straight out the box. Throw it in, drill a couple holes, and you've got a great bit of storage for the back of these things. I have taken that side panel out just so I can store more shit down the side. I'm not sure exactly why it's there, if it's just for mounting purposes or maybe to give it a bit more support on the top, I'm not sure. It would be awesome if it had tie down rails integrated into it, but as the top is just, you know, pretty easily removed, I may even do that in the future, is just route out some grooves, or get a new piece in altogether. Yeah, if I had carpet or whatever in there, it would sit absolutely perfect with these wheel arches height wise, and that would be one flat edge. At the moment there's maybe an 8mm difference in height from the drawer to the wheel arches, but yeah, that's because I have no flooring at the bottom there. But no, I think that's it for tonight. It's getting late, plenty more to go on with, so yeah, thanks for tuning in. Next time, not sure what I'll be doing tomorrow. Anyway,